Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Namar ka hukum jong ka High Court ban phano da Central Armed Police Forces jong ka sarkar Bteng ban tela kam ka jingkhai Dewïong Be-Aiñ hakini ka jala. Umentri sarkar uba AL hek uloong baka High Court kala debatha yak sarkar ba kamde ban ailat ban kit Dewïong Be-Aiñ henry nakapor lai ibik pulit klayo group yakitrok kit Dewïong Be-Aiñ. Nalor kata don ki bathia alendang hasurok maka jing accident bat namar baka tang yai Bteng uloong baka High Court kan le no la ka jong ka kam ban khang yakani.
Discuss this one seen in every statement, newspaper, in a very regular basis. The High Court, I've seen before also, we are told to the government, they should not allow any illegal transportations of any illegal materials, particularly also with coal. What we have seen in every now and then, the truck has been seized, the truck has been, met an accident, some truck has been turned over here and there. This thing is happening. So NGT, the High Court, they are doing the job. Even they told the central forces to be deployed, how to see that the illegal transportation thing will not be happening.